This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
85% ng tatanggap today ay mga bata, hindi matatanda.
I'm gonna
Whether
let
marunong
it
kayong mag-basketball o hindi, basta mahal niyo ang mga bata. Life coach kayo. You have to admit this. You are a catalyst.
Let it shine.
We are raising champions. We want championships quality.
Everywhere
I am inviting you to treat kids
I'm gonna
the way they are valued. The greatest in the kingdom of heaven are the children.
I'm gonna
Ilang naligtas, na disciple, naging leader.
where I go. I'm
We're starting a movement, and the very people who can change the Philippines are our children.
let it shine.
Dahil muli po niyong ginising ba o binigyan po niyo ng empower ulit yung amin pong desire na makapag-ministry ng more than pa doon sa ginagawa namin.
Napakadali pong sundan.
Napaka-effective itong paraan na ito upang mahikayat ang mga bata na kilalanin ang ating Panginoong Hesukristo.
The very entry requires humility. Wala tayo noon. Ang mga bata meron.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of
You will be used by God to change this community because you are Christ-centered champion.
I'm gonna let it shine.
Prioritize the children and you will not go wrong.
Let it shine.
Yun tayo ngayon. Hero maker.